Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Apa kabar kamu semua pada hari ini? I hope all of you are healthy. Ibu berharap kalian semua berada dalam keadaan sehat walafiat. Ya. Now let's continue our lesson about chapter 6, people on the street. Ya. Ayo kita lanjutkan pelajaran chapter 6, ya, orang-orang yang berada di jalanan. Now open your book, page 114. Buka bukumu halaman 114 ya. C. Reading. Reading artinya membaca. Read the text aloud. Read the text aloud. Ya, bacalah teks berikut dengan nyaring. Pino the garbage boy. Pino the garbage boy. Pino anak laki-laki tukang sampah. Once upon a time, in a housing area, there was a good boy named Pino. Once upon a time, pada suatu waktu, in a housing area, there was a good boy named Pino. Di suatu area perumahan, ada seorang anak laki-laki bernama Pino. He was helpful and kind-hearted. He was helpful and kind-hearted. Ya. Dia baik hati dan dia suka menolong dan baik hati. He was a son of Mr. Pranata, the garbage man who collected garbage in a housing area. He was a son of Mr. Pranata. Dia adalah anak laki-laki Pak Pranata, the garbage man who collected garbage in a housing area. Ya, tukang sampah yang mengumpulkan sampah di area perumahan. They were poor, but they were happy. They were poor, but they were happy. Mereka miskin, tetapi mereka bahagia. Although Pino was a student of year 6, his body was big and strong enough to help his father collect the garbage. Although Pino was a student of year 6, his body was big and strong enough to help his father collect the garbage. Ya, meskipun Pino, seorang murid kelas 6, badannya besar dan cukup kuat untuk menolong ayahnya mengumpulkan sampah. Mr. Pranata collected the garbage twice a day, very early morning and in the evening. Pak Pranata mengumpulkan sampah 2 kali sehari, pagi-pagi sekali dan di petang hari. Pino helped his father in the evening because in the morning he had to go to school. Pino membantu ayahnya di pagi hari karena di pagi hari Pino menolong ayahnya di petang hari karena di pagi hari dia harus pergi ke sekolah. One day, Mr. Pranata was sick. One day, Mr. Pranata was sick. Suatu hari, Pak Pranata sakit. He had to be hospitalized. Because he got cholera. Ya, dia harus dirawat di rumah sakit karena dia sakit kolera. Pino then took over the job. Pino lalu mengambil alih pekerjaan itu. He collected the garbage in the housing complex. Dia mengambil sampah dari komplek perumahan. Pino used a smaller cart. Pino menggunakan sebuah gerobak yang lebih kecil. In the morning, di pagi hari, before going to school, Pino collected the garbage from houses along the main road in the complex. Ya. Pino in the morning, pada pagi hari, before going to school, sebelum pergi ke sekolah, Pino collected the garbage from houses along the main road in the complex. Ya. Dia mengumpulkan sampah dari rumah-rumah sepanjang jalan utama di komplek itu. Itu pagi hari ya. Then after school, kemudian sepulang sekolah, he continued collecting the garbage from houses in the middle areas. Yeah. Then after school, he continued collecting the garbage from houses in the middle areas. Ya, lalu sepulang sekolah, dia melanjutkan mengumpulkan sampah-sampah dari rumah-rumah yang berada di area pertengahan. Ya. He finished the job at the 5 in the evening. Ya. Dia selesai mengerjakannya pada jam 5 di petang hari. After taking his bath, he prepared himself for school for the following day. After taking his bath, setelah dia mandi, he prepared himself. Dia mempersiapkan dirinya sendiri for school for the following day. Untuk sekolah di keesokan harinya. People in the housing area appreciated Pino for the garbage collection. Ya, people in the housing area, orang-orang yang berada di area perumahan, appreciated Pino for the garbage collection. Ya, mengapresiasi Pino atas mengumpulkan sampah-sampah. They gave him many kinds of things. Mereka memberi banyak aneka barang-barang. Most of the people gave school stuffs. Ya, banyak orang yang memberikan perlengkapan sekolah, such as pencils, pens, or block notes. Ya, such as pencils, seperti pensil, pens, pena-pena, or block notes, atau buku catatan kecil. Sometimes they gave him money too. Kadang-kadang they gave him money too. Mereka memberikan dia juga uang. Pino was really happy. Pino jadi sangat senang. Not long after that, tidak lama setelah itu, Pino's father got better. Ayahnya Pino menjadi sehat kembali. He was healthy enough to continue his job. Ya, dia menjadi cukup sehat untuk melanjutkan pekerjaannya. However, Pino did not want to stop help him. Ya. However, walau bagaimanapun, Pino tidak ingin to stop help him, berhenti menolong ayahnya. Now, he pushed the garbage cart that his father pulled it. Sekarang dia mendorong gerobak sampah yang ditarik oleh ayahnya. What a good boy. Alangkah baiknya anak laki-laki itu. Ya. More to know, tahu lebih banyak. Study the synonym and the antonym below. Ya, pelajari persamaan kata dan lawan kata di bawah ini. Ya, sinonim, persamaan kata, antonim, lawan kata. Ya. Good, baik. Sinonimnya kind, baik. Antonimnya bad, buruk, jelek. Ya. Helpful artinya bermanfaat. Sinonimnya supportive artinya mendukung. Antonimnya adalah selfish artinya egois. Ya. Kind-hearted, baik hati. Sinonimnya good-hearted, ya, baik hati. Antonimnya mean. Mean itu jahat. Big, artinya besar. Big, sinonimnya adalah huge. Huge artinya besar. Kemudian antonimnya small. Small artinya kecil. Ya, strong. Strong artinya kuat. Powerful. Powerful artinya kuat, ya. Antonym lawan katanya adalah weak. Weak itu lemah, ya. Small. Small artinya kecil. Sinonimnya adalah tiny. Tiny artinya mungil. Dan lawan katanya, antonimnya adalah big, besar, ya, big, besar. Kind. Kind itu baik, ya. Sinonimnya adalah good. Good artinya baik. Antonimnya adalah mean, ya. Mean itu buruk atau jelek, ya. Happy artinya senang, bahagia. Sinonimnya cheer, ya. Cheer artinya terhibur. Antonimnya sad. Sad artinya sedih. Poor. Poor artinya miskin, ya. Sinonimnya moneyless. Moneyless tidak punya uang. Kemudian antonimnya adalah rich. Rich artinya kaya, ya. Now exercise. Choose the right word in the bracket for each of the following sentences, ya. Choose the right word. Pilihlah kata yang benar in the bracket, di dalam kurung ini, for each of the following sentences, untuk setiap kalimat-kalimat berikut. Number 1, Pino was a, ya, selfish or helpful boy. Ya, pilih, ya. Tentunya Pino was a helpful boy. Pino adalah anak yang suka menolong. Number 2, his family was rich or poor. Ya, his family was poor, ya. Keluarganya adalah miskin. Number 3, although he was a student of year 6, walaupun dia adalah murid kelas 6, Pino's body was small or big. Pino's body was big, ya. Badannya Pino besar. Number 4, Pino helped his father, ya, collect or keep the garbage, ya. Mengumpulkan, ya, atau menyimpan, ya. Jadi Pino help his father collect, ya, mengumpulkan the garbage, sampah. Number 5, when his father got sick, ketika ayahnya sakit, Pino took over or stopped his job, ya. Pino took over his job. Pino mengambil alih tugas ayahnya. Number 6, the people in the housing gave Pino clothes or money. The people in the housing, orang-orang di perumahan itu, memberikan Pino, gave Pino money, ya, memberikan Pino uang, ya. Okay. Grab the stars, ya, menggapai bintang-bintang. Rearrange the pictures as the story. Ya, rearrange the pictures as the story. Ya, susunlah kembali gambar-gambar itu menjadi sebuah cerita, ya. Vito the scavenger. Vito the scavenger. Vito adalah tukang pulung, ya. This is a story about a young scavenger called Vito. This is a story about a young scavenger called Vito. Ini adalah sebuah cerita tentang pemulung anak-anak bernama Vito. Vito was diligent and kind-hearted. Vito was diligent and kind-hearted. Vito rajin dan baik hati. He was helpful toward others. He was helpful toward others. Dia menolong orang-orang lainnya ke depan ya. He went to school in the morning. Dia pergi ke sekolah di pagi hari. In the afternoon, he helped his parents scavenging. Ya, pada sore hari, ya, dia menolong ayahnya memulung. Though they were poor, they were happy. Meskipun mereka miskin, mereka bahagia. One day, Vito found a wallet on his way home from scavenging. Suatu hari, Vito found a wallet. Vito mendapatkan sebuah dompet on his way home dalam perjalanan pulangnya from scavenging, dari memulung. Ya. The wallet was full of money and cards. Ya, dompet itu penuh dengan uang dan kartu-kartu. He was wondering what to do with the wallet. Ya, dia semangat ya untuk melakukan sesuatu atas dompet itu. Then he saw a traffic police on the street. Lalu dia melihat seorang polisi lalu lintas di jalanan. He gave it to the police. Dia memberikan dompet itu ke Pak Polisi. He went home happily. Dia pulang ke rumah dengan senang hati. 2 days later, there was a well-dressed man. There was a well-dressed man. 2 hari kemudian ada seorang laki-laki yang berpakaian bagus ya. The man shook his hand and introduced himself. Orang laki-laki itu menjabat tangannya and introduced himself, memperkenalkan dirinya sendiri. He was the man who lost the wallet. Dia adalah laki-laki yang kehilangan dompetnya. He thanked Vito for finding his wallet. Dia mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Vito telah menemukan dompetnya. He then offered Vito a scholarship. Lalu dia menawarkan Vito ya sekolah ya. Vito was very happy. Vito sangat senang. Vito was more diligent to study. Vito menjadi lebih rajin lagi belajar. Ya. Now writing. Ya, sekarang menulis. Complete the sentences, lengkapi kalimat-kalimat ini. Fill in the blank space with the antonym of the word in the bracket. Ya. Isilah titik-titik ya. Yang kosong ini dengan lawan kata dari kata yang ada dalam kurung. Ya. Number 1, Miss Ipah lives by asking people for money. Bu Ipah hidup dari meminta-minta uang orang. She comes from a rich family. Ya, menjadi she comes from a poor. Rich lawannya poor family. Dia menjadi keluarga yang kaya. Number 2, Mr. Ahmad sweeps all the roads clean. Pak Ahmad menyapu semua jalanan dengan bersih. He is a lazy road sweeper. Dia adalah tukang sapu jalanan yang malas. Nah, isilah dengan kalimat lawan kata dari lazy ya. Lazy artinya malas ya. Lawannya apa gitu ya. Jadi malas itu lawannya adalah lazy, lawannya adalah diligent. Jadi he is a diligent road sweeper ya. Number 3, Mr. and Mrs. Hamzah like to help the needy. Ya. Mr. and Mrs. Hamzah like to help the needy. Bapak dan Bu Hamzah suka menolong orang yang membutuhkan. They are mean people. They are mean people, mereka adalah orang jahat. Nah, ganti mean ini dengan lawannya adalah orang yang baik hati. They are kind-hearted people, ya. They are kind-hearted people. Mereka adalah orang-orang yang baik hati. Ya. Number 4, most of the students of SD Permatahati are good at school. Most of the students of SD Permatahati are good at school. Ya, kebanyakan murid-murid SD Permatahati adalah baik di sekolah. Ya. Most of them are stupid. Most of them are stupid. Mereka adalah anak yang bodoh. Kalian ganti menjadi most of them are clever. Ya. Clever artinya pintar. Mereka adalah, kebanyakan dari mereka adalah pintar. Number 5, Mr. Jaya carries a carriage full of garbage every day. Mr. Jaya carries a carriage full of garbage every day. Pak Jaya membawa membawa bawaannya penuh dengan sampah setiap hari. He is such a weak garbage man. He is such a weak garbage man. Dia terlihat seperti tukang sampah yang lemah. Ya. Jadi ganti, weak lawannya adalah kind. Ya. He is such as kind garbage man. Ya. Dia seperti tukang sampah yang baik. Ya. Now exercise, write about people on the street you know. Ya. Lakukan di sini. Ya. Mr. Badrun is garbage man in our village. Mr. Badrun is garbage man in our village. Pak Badrun adalah tukang sampah di vilanya kami. Di kampung kami, maaf. He has been a garbage man for 20 years. He has been a garbage man for 20 years. Dia telah menjadi seorang tukang sampah selama 20 tahun. Mr. Badrun is a hard worker. Mr. Badrun is a hard worker. Ya. Pak Badrun adalah seorang yang pekerja keras. Ya. He works from 5 in the morning to 4 in the afternoon. He works from 5 in the morning. Dia bekerja dari jam 5 pagi hari to 4 in the afternoon. Sampai ke jam 4 sore. Mr. Badrun carries a handcart. Mr. Badrun carries a handcart. Pak Badrun membawa gerobak tangan, sebuah gerobak tangan. He collects the garbage from houses. He collects the garbage from houses. Dia mengumpulkan sampah dari rumah-rumah, ya. Let's try, ya. Lalu kita coba, ya. Work in a group, kerjakan dalam sebuah grup. See people on the street, lihat orang-orang yang ada di jalanan. Write them in the list below. Ya, tuliskan mereka di list ini. Ya, for example, Mr. Dani, age 46, ya, address, alamat Jalan Majapahit 22 Semarang. What the people do? Street vendor. Street vendor adalah pedagang kaki lima, ya. Nah, lakukan itu. Ya. Fun time, di sini adalah waktu bersenang-senang. Below are more people on the street. Di bawah ini adalah orang-orang yang berada di jalanan. Guess what they are. Ya, tebak siapakah mereka. Number 1, the people go to everywhere on the motorcycle. The people go to everywhere on the motorcycle. Ya, orang-orang pergi kemana-mana dengan motor, ya. Jadi namanya apa itu? Ya, tentunya adalah pilih, ya. Number 2, the person polishes shoes of passerby. The person polishes shoes of passerby. Ya, orang itu menyemir sepatu orang-orang yang lewat. Number 3, the people are on public means of transportation. The people are on public means of transportation. Ya, orang-orang berada di transportasi publik. Number 4, the people repairs the road. The people repair the roads. Orang-orang memperbaiki jalanan. Ya, disebut apa di sini dipilih ya. Ya, ada road menders, motorists, passengers, shoeblack, showman ya. Number 5, the person entertains like circuses. Ya, kalian pilih, kerjakan di rumah ya. Ya, sekarang adalah wise man says, ya, orang bijak berkata, all roads lead to Rome. Banyak cara untuk mencapai satu tujuan. Ya. Glossary perbandingan kata, beggar adalah pengemis, garbage man adalah tukang sampah, hawker pedagang asongan. I beg your pardon, bisakah Anda menjelaskan lagi? Pardon me, maaf apa tadi? Parking man tukang parkir, pedestrian pejalan kaki, postman tukang pos, road sweeper penyapu jalan, salesman sales, street singer adalah pengamen, street vendor adalah pedagang kaki lima, traffic police adalah polisi lalu lintas. Ya, demikian pembelajaran kita hari ini. Ya, Ibu akhiri. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching my video. Terima kasih telah menonton video Ibu.